Okay, so I've got this here on the press board. And I'm looking at the wrong side, and I've pulled my organza patch out, but I don't want to stretch that little square out too much, but I want to stretch it out. Pull this organza so it doesn't show. Now I'm going to just take my iron, and I'm going to press that and give it a little steam. Okay, and I'm on the wrong side, so I'm not as worried about that. Okay, I'm going to now go to the other side and do the same thing. But again, be careful not to have that go too far out of shape. Okay. And don't burn yourself. But first I'm going to press it without the steam just to get that where it needs to go. And then once I do that, then I can give that a little steam and press that out of the way. And with the silk, I can use a little higher heat. But again, I don't want to. Okay, so let's look at the front. Okay, that looks pretty good, but I can still see it a bit in the corners. So I'm going to try and press those corners a little bit better there. Give myself a little steam bath in the meantime. There. Okay, I think that's working better. Okay, I'm going to turn it here to do those other corners. Okay. If I had black organza, that might work out better, but I don't. I just have the white. But I think that's good. Okay, so now I have that little window done. Okay, now one thing I'm going to do to keep that in place is I'm going to use a little steam-a-seam here. And basically what that does is it goes in between here, and you can push that here. So what I do is I first put that on like that, and I'm just going to kind of press that a little bit. Okay, and then I peel the paper off. First time I used this, I didn't peel off the paper, and I wondered why it wasn't doing me any good. Well, that's why. Okay, now I'm going to take this, and I don't want to pull it too much. I just want to pull the organza back. And just there. Now that's going to hold pretty good. Let's go to the other side. We'll try that as well. So I just need a little bit here. So you don't really have to, you're not supposed to have to steam it, but, or press it, but I do. But okay, now, yeah, see, that's on there really pretty good. Okay, now take the paper off. There we go. And bring that in like that. And I can now kind of press that a little bit. There, that will help. So now when I turn it to this side, I've got a really nice window there to put the bound buttonhole. And you can see this is going to end up being a little bit bigger than this one, but it looks good too. Okay, let's go back to the machine and get the other part.